going on, dear viewers? Thank you for joining me. We're here in beautiful Latvia, and now for this episode we're gonna go to a nice beach and do a bit of horse riding. We're here in the countryside, visiting my brother and his family. Just outside Riga. Here's the dog. Look at that dog. Be careful with the dog so it doesn't bite the camera.
Follow to my Instagram, Luchizaro, everybody.
This is my nephew Leo. This is my little nephew Zimid.
Es soltero.
My wife Indira.
Leo es soltero. ¿Cómo se dice soltero? Hello, yes. Мы ведем прямую трансляцию с культа Салкрастуновац. И сейчас мы на таких испанских мотивах, принимая наших дорогих испанских доминиканских друзей. Проводим приятно здесь время, чего и вам желаю, дорогие мои друзья.
We're here by the coast, going towards the beach for a nice walk. So you can come here, ride horses, and go for a beach for a swim. They do live concerts here. If you happen to be in Riga and like to visit this beautiful place, get on the train and get off at the stop called Salkrasta. Going for horse riding. Our guide Karina.
Hello. Yeah.
Hello. Are you excited about riding the horse? You heard the horse lessons? Look at all these horses. Joe's first time riding a horse. For little children.
Возьми, пожалуйста, Лёва.
Some big horses also. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, and then there is a big island, and on that island there are all those horses.
Right.
And they are becoming too many, that they are selling them out. Can you hold for sure?
I think the horse's name is Pikachu.
Pica tal vez es el nombre. Pica.
Hello, Dioma. How are you? Check out this horse name is Saffron. You don't remember what this means, saffron? Karina says it's something spicy, but the guy was explaining it's gem. No, it's not gem. How are you? Good, yeah? You enjoying your horse riding?
Not all horses is suitable for trainings.
For lessons, yeah? With
Yeah. For lessons or
friendly, yeah?
Yeah, for lessons or for trainings, about 7 horses suitable.
Right.
7-8 horse. including saffron, Tina, candies, and Pikachu and Calibri. So other horses are sport horses. So they participate in some sport contests.
Contest, yeah.
Contests, yes.
Competitions.
Competitions, yeah.
Oh, very interesting. Thank you. Thank you for your interview.
Yeah, you're welcome. Come to school to Zveni exams to ride on sea horses. It's called, this stall is sea horses.
Sea horses. Horses by the sea, yeah.
Yeah.
Check it out. It's a local Latvian beer. Augustin, it's called. 5.8% alcohol. It's like a wheat beer in a liter bottle. We just made a nice barbecue. I love it here. The food is full of flavor, good beer, nice and tender, and the weather been spoiling us. Thank you, Alice and Karina, for a warm welcome and your hospitality. It's been amazing reception. We're very happy, very pleased to be here. Food amazing, adventure amazing, beach amazing, horse riding amazing. Thank you for a wonderful holiday.